Safety can't wait. And at NLB, it never has. For over 50 years, we've led the water jetting industry in safety innovation. Because we know when you're working with ultra-high pressures, every second and every layer of protection matters.
Nearly a decade ago, we saw a critical issue in the field. Traditional hose shrouds were bulky, rigid, and inconvenient. So inconvenient that operators often didn't use them at all. This wasn't okay, so we set out to change it.
We developed the original Shroud, a shroud built from ballistic-grade fabric instead of woven wire, making it dramatically lighter and more flexible without sacrificing strength. We put it through serious testing it thoroughly at different flow rates and pressures, all the way up to 40,000 psi.
The shroud successfully diffused the energy and the hose burst, keeping the harm at bay.
It changed the game, and it flew off the shelves. Now we're proud to introduce the next generation of the Shroud. It's the same trusted shroud, now with even more protection and unmatched availability. The new Shroud has a 6-inch longer ferrule, providing greater protection exactly where it's needed most, near the accessory connection. And while its sleek black fabric blends seamlessly into your equipment setup, it's still color-coded for 10, 15, 20, and 40,000 psi systems, making WJTA compliance easier than ever. But the biggest upgrade? You don't have to wait for it. We've streamlined production, scaled up inventory, and optimized fulfillment so that Shrouds are in stock and ready to ship exactly when you need them. Because when it comes to safety, delays aren't an option.
The Shroud isn't just a product, it's a peace of mind. It's backed by over a half a century of water jetting experience and truly built from the heart.
Call 800-441-5059 or visit NLBcorp.com to learn more or place an order today.